Hey y'all, good morning and welcome to my channel. My name is Kim in case you're new here, and this is Kim's Farmhouse Life. So today I'm going to be doing a different type of video. I was asked to join a Christmas gift swap this year, hosted by Tiffany at Our Small Town Life. I'm going to have her link down below along with the playlist. So what it is it's a group of ladies here on YouTube that create videos. We were each asked if we would like to be a part of this collaboration. And so Tiffany is the one who heads it up, and she somehow selects who we're going to be partnered up with, basically. No one knows who got their name, so I have no idea who my gift is from. I just got it yesterday, and I have been just so excited to open it. My daughter wanted me to open it last night, but I was like, I'm not ready to be in front of the camera. Let me get a little more presentable. So I'm about to find out who my gift is from. And so I think that this collaboration is a really cool thing because it will give, y'all an idea of different gifts to give maybe your friends or loved ones this holiday. So my battery is blinking at me, so I'm going to quickly change the battery and then I'm going to get on to opening the package. Okay, y'all, I am back. So I have my package, and I love, it was funny, my son said, Mom, did you order Ritz crackers? And I'm like, no. And then I was like, oh, it's my gift. I'm so excited. So I got my little box cutter, and I'm going to go ahead and open this up. I don't want to show too much because of addresses and things, but like I said, I have really no idea who this could be from. So I'm so excited to find out, y'all. Oh, y'all, okay. I'm going to show y'all real quickly. Everything is like wrapped inside, and it's so cute. And some of the paper is Grinch, which is kind of funny because I was just talking about my husband being like the Grinch or Scrooge, because he does not like to decorate before Thanksgiving. And so I don't have anything, because I'm videoing this a little bit ahead of time. So I don't have any Christmas up, but I am wearing my Christmas shirt. Y'all, it says Happy Heifer. I bought this little iron-on, if you can see, I bought this from Temu and I put it on a shirt myself. Okay, first of all, Hershey's chocolate. Y'all, this is my favorite candy bar. Ooh, Reese's peanut butter bar. Y'all, okay. I know what I'm gonna be snacking on. Okay, just double check. Oh, there is a card. I wanted to try to find out who this is from. Merry Christmas, Kim. And let's see, y'all. I'm so excited. I did a gift exchange several years back with Courtney from Mama Makes It Happen. I did do a Christmas collab with her a couple years, but it's been a while since I've done it. Okay. And it's so cute. God's love shines in the hearts of special people at Christmas and always. Very cute card. It says, you make the world a nicer place. I won't read all of the different things. This is so cool. This is from Leann from Mennonite Farmhouse. Do y'all want to know, and I don't know if Leann even knows this, my husband grew up Mennonite. His family originates way back. He's German Mennonite, so they originate from way back in Russia, his ancestors, and they moved into Mexico and Canada, and then eventually came here. So I don't know if she knows that, but yeah, my husband grew up Mennonite, and his mom still is somewhat of a Mennonite, I guess you could say. But anyways, all right, now I'm so excited. Hold on, let me finish. I didn't read that last little part. I got excited. Oh, okay, I'm excited. Okay, open up the first gift. Oh, these are little coasters, y'all. Look how cute. So cute. And these, she said, were made by a friend of hers. So these are homemade little coasters, and I just love, oh, how cute. Just little patchwork designs. And there are 4 of these. So cute. I love homemade stuff. Next. I love this. This is, oh, let me see. Y'all, it's a chicken apron. Look at that. It's so adorable. Y'all, I love chickens. And this is the one, like, you can put around your neck and tie. And it has some pockets here in the front. I love this. I love it. I'm just going to put it on because I just love it, y'all. Y'all, I love chickens. Okay, next. And then, oh, some cute little towels that have apples. It says, pick your own apples, pie, cider, and donuts. There's a little white one like that. And then another one like this. So cute, y'all. So cute. This is so exciting, y'all. Oh, my, y'all. This is, oh, wow. This is an assortment. And it has the little, it has the white chocolate and the milk chocolate, little Reese's Trees, plus the little Reese's peanut butter cups. I love some Reese's, y'all. Yummy. Okay, another one. Oh my gosh, I love this. It's a little chicken picture. The life I can speak. A little chicken picture. That is so cute. Look at that. Adorable. Leann, you did so good. The last one. And this, I believe, yes, she said these are pot holders that she made. And these are so, y'all, look at how pretty. I just love homemade stuff. Oh, I will definitely be using these. I love it. Oh, I'll show y'all again. With the camera, I'll go back through and kind of show y'all a closer look at everything. But Leann, thank you so much. Thank you, Tiffany, for inviting me to join this Christmas box swap this year. I feel so blessed to be a part of it. I feel blessed to be part of YouTube and just to post videos alongside of all of these great women. Y'all make sure that you check out the, Lordy, I cannot think. Maybe the word will come to me. Oh, okay. Okay, y'all make sure to check out the playlist. I'm gonna have it linked down below, and so y'all can see everybody else's videos. You can see who I got when you watch her video and see what I picked out for my person, and go follow these ladies. They share similar content to me. They share cooking, cleaning, day in the life. I think that y'all will, if you like my channel, you'll like all of theirs. So also make sure to check out Leann from the Mennonite Farmhouse, and thank you again. Y'all have a Merry Christmas.